Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I'm doing a Cricut Disney Digital Mystery Box reveal for you. And this is a pretty exciting thing. Cricut has rebundled a bunch of the Disney images sets that we have in Design Space and offering it at this phenomenal low price. This is worth over $120, and the digital mystery box is going to be only $39.99. And for you Disney fans, you're going to love this. Now, the digital mystery box is digital products only, so you don't get a physical box shipped to you. Once you make your purchase, then you would log out of Design Space and log back in, and then you will see all 6 image sets that are part of this Disney digital mystery box. I will add the link to purchase in where you see the description of this video, and I am going to show you what all is included. You're going to be so excited. All right, so the first image set is Mickey and Friends Cozy Christmas. Now, Cozy Christmas has some adorable images, and as you will notice, they also already have a background layer on them. Okay, so if you were looking for some images where you wanted to have that backing, let's say to make those oversized images, off the mat images, this would be a really good one to have. And these are all holiday themed, of course, but there's also some really cute cards on this one. Okay, so if you're a Disney fan and you want to send out some Disney themed cards, this one looks pretty good. This is Mickey and Friends Cozy Christmas. All right, now the next one that we're going to have is Disney Mickey and Friends Holiday Cheer. And again, super cute, lots of great images here, but there's some really adorable cards on this one as well. Plus they come with the envelope. Okay, so this one has 15 different images on it. Really cute. This is Mickey and Friends Holiday Cheer. All right, let's see what the next one is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Mickey and Friends Love at First Sight. Unfortunately, Valentine's Day is going to be here before we know it, right? So now's a good time to go ahead and get this, because everybody loves to see Mickey and Minnie in love, right? And Donald and Daisy. So anyway, so there's some really cute images here. You can make some shirts with it or vinyl projects, or there's even some cute cards that you could go ahead and start making for Valentine's Day. I really love this one. I think it's super cute. Okay, so that is Mickey and Friends Love at First Sight. All right, there's some more to look at. All right, now, The Nightmare Before Christmas is huge. Like, it has a huge cult following, and I know some of you have already started making ornaments and you're making other things using images from The Nightmare Before Christmas. This is a great one to have. So this is The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack is Back. And I'll show you what those images look like. If you're a fan of The Nightmare Before Christmas, you're going to recognize what all of these are. Lots of fun. If you haven't ever seen it, it is by Tim Burton, and it's a movie, and it is really interesting. All right, so that is The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack is Back. There is also included The Nightmare Before Christmas Haunted Holiday. So I know we're kind of past Halloween right now, but it's one that you could use, or there's some images on here you could use for various other holiday things that you would want to use using The Nightmare Before Christmas Haunted Holiday. And then the last image set that's included is the Nightmare Before Christmas Printables. Now, these are printables, so these images are not going to cut out. You would actually, they're print and cut, so you would send this to your printer. It would cut it out, and then you would put it back on your Cricut mat, and it would cut out the outline of this for you. So you would have these really cute printables, or you could put them on invitations, or maybe you're having a viewing party for Nightmare Before Christmas, and this would be really cool to make some great images. So this is the Disney Digital Mystery Box. That's $39.99. It's only going to be available for a short period of time. This is something that Cricut has not done before, where they have packaged up image sets like all of these great Disney ones and offered them at such a low price, because normally they're $29.99 each or $19.99 each, something along those lines. So you're really getting a great value. Thank you for using my link to make your purchase. That helps support me and doesn't cost you any more. And if you are a Cricut Access subscriber, you get the additional 10% off of your digital purchase. Now, since this is a licensed image set, these images are not included in your Cricut Access subscription. So anyone who, even if you have Cricut Access, you want to grab these, because you'd have to purchase them individually, or at this great bundle price, you get all of them. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys have a great day and happy crafting.